This is right outside the chocolate factory. The little head you just saw run by, that's Max, Molly's grandson. I'm hoping he doesn't jump into the water. You just never know with that little guy. That's his grandma yelling at him. I love the sound of the water. Let's see if we can find Max. There he is. I hope he doesn't jump. Guess not. And there he goes, running to his grandma. And here he comes again, making his debut. I love that little guy. Wow, that is super cool. Big time. Oh dear. Oh dear. I'm not even gonna look. His grandma's getting up. And there she goes.